Hey, before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know too, there's a new Cash App option. I got the notification, not that I'll be doing this because I already got my check, but for those people that don't have bank accounts or don't know their bank accounts and do have a bank account or don't, whatever, apparently you can do this with Cash App now.
What is up, it's Mel. I was wondering, have you guys received your payment yet? I've heard there's so many people with a bunch of issues. And I mean, if you haven't received your payment, you should, in the very least, go to the website. You can go to Get My Payment. And we're going to go over some of the reasons why it may be under status not available, or maybe why you haven't received it according to the IRS. And I think a lot of it has to do with people's direct deposit not being with the government. By the way, you want to use the address that you filed your taxes with. I also wanted to address the people that used H&R Block, TurboTax, or whatever. Thank God I no longer have used any of these services in years. But a lot of those people were having an issue. They were having some sort of delay because H&R and I guess other companies too, they do this loan thing where I guess they give you a card or they loan you the money so you get it quicker in advance. But what happens is the government doesn't actually have your direct deposit information. So that can create issues. And this is why I'm telling people, if you can, get onto the website, go under Get My Payment. And it will let you. I had a family member that was able to go on there and they were able to put in their direct deposit information. Before we go on to the next part of the IRS information, I just want to touch on to a little bit. I've heard that there's some people that don't have their IRS information, their tax information, their adjusted gross income. This is all, and I'm horrible with finance. I'm not the greatest person, but these are documents that everybody should have. If you don't know your bank account, if you don't know your adjusted gross income, if you can't access that, then you need to do better for next year. And also, it's not the government's fault if you went through H&R Block and you went through their card system where you get the money faster and then they don't submit the deposit information. Some of these people don't even know their own deposit information. You can't even send money to some of these people that need it. Payment status not available. This is one that I've heard some people have. And according to the IRS, one of the reasons could be is that the 2019 return is still in processing. I know somebody, or I heard of somebody that just filed a couple days ago. So some of the people that filed late in 2019 may still have their tax return processing. I don't know if they defer to the 2018, if yours is still processing. That's what I thought it was. But I don't know if once they get it and it's processing, then they can't defer to the 2018. I'm not sure. And I heard that the 2018 ones have issues too because people don't have their addresses. They moved, different banking account, different or no deposit information. The other thing too, and you got to make sure, is if you're somebody that doesn't file normally, there's a section that's called non-filers on the website, and you can enter in your information. One thing to take note here is that if you receive SSA or RRB, Form 1099, or SSI, VA benefits, your information hasn't been loaded onto the systems yet. It says they'll only update once a day. There's no point in sitting there the entire day and hitting refresh on your screen. Also, if you were a person that was supposed to file in 2018 or 2019 and you didn't file, you're not getting anything until you file. The bank information, to touch on it really quickly, as I stated, they're getting the information from your 2018-2019 tax return. Okay, so if you actually receive money from the government, they're going to have your direct deposit information, whether it's old information or new information. Now, they may let you update your bank information. They may not, because of fraud. They're trying to protect whatever. So they have here, and I know somebody personally that it told them this, that it needs more information. And in this case, you'll be able to enter in your banking account information, which some people don't even know that. You might have to call up your bank and find out your information, or if you have a check, you can go find that out. The other thing too, which I've been hearing some people run into, is please try again. That means you've been locked out of your account for 24 hours. Don't call them for it, they're saying. Just wait 24 hours and then try again, and you should be able to get it. I know somebody that got locked out, and then the next day they were able to get in and do what they needed to do. If you have an ITIN, in most cases, you will not be eligible for the stimulus. Here's a listing from the IRS side of who's not eligible. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but most notable, you have to have a valid social security number. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if there's people that don't know their social. You are a non-resident alien, and if you filed for any of these forms in 2019. As far as eligibility, I just wanted to touch on the bottom part because I've seen this asked a lot. eligible retirees and recipients of Social Security, railroad, disability benefits, as well as taxpayers who do not make enough money to normally file a tax return will receive a payment. This also includes those who have no income, as well as those whose income comes entirely from certain benefit programs such as supplemental security income benefits. Last final one, and then I got Madison. We're gonna go outside and play in the water, chill out. Beautiful sunny weather here in Florida. But address changes, right? It says that no, you cannot change your address through the Get My Payment option. So if you have not filed when you file for your 2019 taxes, then you need to enter your new address and file electronically. If you have filed for the 2019 and you did not receive a refund via direct deposit, then they're going to mail it to you. So I guess you're SOL on that. So what they recommend here is maybe you can update your USPS address. You can do it online and it's pretty easy. I've done it before. So you might want to try that. Anyway, man, take care of yourselves. Comment down below. Let me know. Did you get your refund yet? Your stimulus yet? Are you still waiting? What is your frustrations? What did I miss? What is the situation that's going on with people that some people still don't have their money? Peace. Say bye, Maddie. Bye. 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 See you later. Subscribe.